Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to post longer videos on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. Now click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen. Then just go ahead and choose the video that you want to post. So I'm just gonna choose this video, which is 57 seconds, but you can choose any video that is longer than a minute or two. So after you've done that, just go ahead and click on the next button at the upper right corner of your screen and click again on the next button at the next step, because I will do it fast because of the background music or the sound of this video. So after you've clicked on the next button, you can just go ahead and choose or tag any people, write a caption. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on share, and your Instagram video will be posted without a problem. Okay, so that is how you post a longer videos on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.